I am owner slash estimator, Straightline Auto Body in Ogden, Utah. So we work on a lot of Mercedes here, a lot of Toyotas. We are an independent shop, so we don't do any advertising. It's all just word of mouth and repeat customers. Those are typically the main vehicles we work on, but we work on everything. So my husband started this business. I was just supposed to be the lunch lady, come say hi, honey, and bring you lunch and show my face. Started hanging out here way too much. Was just intrigued with everything that was going on with the shop, so I took some estimating classes, and now I'm stuck here every day. So I always like to, when I write an estimate, basically not knowing if you're going through insurance or not. Yes, it's nice to know if you're going through insurance. However, there are more and more people wanting to pay out of pocket and not get their insurance companies involved. So I want to write a thorough estimate just to make sure that if they are paying out of pocket, then there's no surprises. So I want you to, when you come in, I want you to know that you're just not somebody walking through the door. You're my customer. I want them to gain trust in me from the moment they meet me. It's funny, I have customers all the time. They're like, I just knew I could call you, It's important to, capture customers on a personal level. There are different customers, though, and some customers don't want to be personal. But yeah, gaining a customer's confidence is key. Getting customers' cars out in a timely manner at a time that you estimate it was going to be, that makes a happy customer, happy shop, happy employees. So